Welcome to our tutorial on how to archive a note in Gmail on your PC. Follow these simple steps to keep your Gmail notes organized and clutter-free. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. On the right side of the screen, locate and click on Keep. This will take you to the Google Keep app. Step 3. In Google Keep, find the note you want to archive and click on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 4. From the menu options, select Archive. This will move the selected note to the Archive section. Archiving a note in Gmail helps you declutter your workspace while keeping important information easily accessible. By following these quick steps, you can efficiently manage your notes in Gmail, ensuring that your inbox remains organized and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.